Before you guys answer, I'll ask your friends to answer. Friends, this is how you're going to answer. For example, if I ask who is more stubborn, I want you guys to move to the person that is more stubborn. Automatically, just move. When I want friends to answer, I'll say friends go. When I want the couple to answer, I'll say couple go. Groomsmen, are we together? It's a couple of questions. So when I say friends go, you just run to the person that is guilty. Like who is more stubborn? If it's the guy, all of you know before they answer. So the idea is to know whether all the answers correlate. Are we together? Yeah. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So we have a couple of questions, but we'll get to a point here. We'll take some from the audience so that we make it quick. Lorenz, are you ready?
Hey.
All right. For instance, who is more dramatic? Friends, answer first. Friends, answer first. Who is more dramatic? Friends, answer first. Okay, couple answer. Couple, who is more dramatic? Is it the girl? We'll bring this one down. Okay. Alright, the answers correlate. Let's move back. Do we get the game? Alright, let's go.
But if you don't agree, just raise the blue one.
Very important question. Who will help the kids with the maths assignment? Who will help the kids with the mathematics assignment? They don't even think twice. They just move straight to the girl. Who will help the kids with the maths assignment? You have been sold out. Even your nigga. Wow. He said Jesus. Who will help that anybody? Sorry. Okay. Alright, go back. Who is more likely to fall asleep in church? Friends, answer first. Who is more likely to fall asleep in church?
Okay, man. I can see that.
Who is more likely to fall asleep in church? Wow. Can't say me. Alright, friends, move back. Alright. Who spends more time on social media? Who spends more time on social media? Oh, the girl. Okay.
When you use every status.
Alright, let's come back. Alright. Who starts quarrel first? Wow. See the way they rush you. They don't even think. No deliberation was made. It was spontaneous. No time. Alright. Who says I'm sorry first? Who says I'm sorry first? To be a man is not a day's job. That's so baby. Alright, go back. Lorenzo, do you have some questions for the couple?
Yes!
Alright, take it over, man of God.
Who is more likely to make the... No. Who's more likely to make the bedroom floor their laundry basket? This is...
If you're gonna piece,
I asked, I cause trouble when I ask questions. If you okay.
The guys out of trouble, they decided to stay away. Wisdom is profitable to direct.
Yes.
Man of God, you have another question?
Yes. Who likes money more? Who likes money more? Okay.
Anyway, it's show because at a point during the dancing, the guy brought out dollars, the lady brought out 500. So it tallies. Oh, the same 500 $1 almost. Almost the same thing.
Who is more prayerful? Who is your good daddy that's still here? How do people know that they pray? But the problem is that
the words of the groom.
The groomsmen are not even responding. The groomsmen are just quiet and wondering, has he ever prayed? Has he ever prayed? He has prayed before now. If you went to University of School, you must have prayed once. Jesus. Go ahead.
This one is very important. I want you people to answer. Who is likely to make the first move? Who is likely to make the first move tonight? Yes. Who is likely to make the first move this night? Hello. Alright, we are going to take some questions from the audience. I have somebody with a question. Anybody with a question? Anybody with a question?
This table particularly, they've been.
Anybody with a question? Want to throw it
behaving like they want to ask questions.
You want to throw it up
with the remote controller in his hand or her hand.
Oh, 30 plus.
Yeah, I have a question.
Eh?
Couple answer now.
Who is more likely?
I think the remote. I'm not going to. Oh, they're not TV at all. But we're not NTA. We'll see. That's why. All right.
I have a question. Who has the family?
Be sorry after a quarrel. Sorry, no, we didn't ask it that way.
Okay.
Sorry is different from the way Marco don't want to say. Do you have you eaten? It's different. Sorry is important. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. That's why they sang the song. Friends.
Okay.
Who?
You
Don't beat them with your friends.
I've been to a wedding in Ebony State. After this question, they don't give me balance. So let's know how we.
So who will say sorry first? You are voting for each other.
Do I have another question from there?
Do we have another question? Okay, there was a priest that came here to talk to you.
No, he
Who's
went
that?
back.
What?
He went back. Okay, he's there. That is sorry.
Go and ask. Can't then answer the question.
Yes.
That's not me.
You know. Anyway, the next the good thing about this question is that the Pete Doche answer this question, but he's not here. But the next wedding I'm doing next week will be there. That's the only give my number.
No, he's not.
Ilu Kato, but right about now, alcohol in the system. Other water say Ilu by this time. Other water. So do you have that question before we move the game? We're about to turn it up. We have another game, What we are doing today is game before we enter the party after party, where DJ Slim Shady is going to change the mood and we're going to get you lit. Lorenzo, do we have another question before we move? Okay, now I discuss this question.
This question is, man of God, who needs this? If I have a neck, who even needs it more in life? Not now. In life, but I know that some of them, they don't even, they are career people. They don't worry about these things of this world. So we cannot answer that question. But if they want to answer it, it's their business. But I think it's their business.
Okay, the bride, somebody raised 2 balloons. I think is equal.
Yes, it is equal.
It's equal.
The way you said that 2 balloons.
Where do you believe it? Are you for love or are you for money? Are you for love or are you for money? Are you for love or are you for money? Are you for love or are you for money? Are you for love? I believe in love. I got that from Osaka, she do Japan, she do Japan. Are you for love or for money? I'm like innocent, we are over now. I'm like innocent, we are over now. Alright, let's go back.
Not back to your seat, just back to the same spot. Just behind this camera. Come back behind this camera. Don't go back to your seat.
Yes.
Especially if you chose money.
Your boyfriend and girlfriend. If you don't believe in any of them, I don't know. You must believe in one. Yeah?
We all
so, are you ready? See, not that sound. One time. Let's go. DJ, drop it.
Shut it.
Where do you believe? If they say money, I believe it.
Feeling jealous of your papa.
Hey, bro. Soon now.
The boyfriend and girlfriends, they have it. So can you hear them in Opera Square every Saturday? If this number of people believe in sugar mommy and sugar daddy, what's happening in Opera Square every Saturday morning?
But how come there's no girl that really has its children?
How come we can't wear Nika freely? It's not right. If this number believe in, there's an error somewhere.
Alright, let's go back again.
Alright, let's go back. Let's go back
to the same plot, the same spot where we were. Let's do the next one.
Alright, let's change it.
Please, the next one, the next one is prophetic. The next one is prophetic. If you choose abroad, the Lord is going to do something permanent in your life in Jesus' name. If you choose Nigeria, vote for me. You never need to know. You do the law. They deny Nigerian visa. Now why will they write exam to know who they speak English? We never play music. Yes. So DJ Slim Shady, are you ready? Jump it like a sport one time. Let's go. If you believe in abroad,
Wait, number society. Wait.
okay, this
right here.
let's go. The I shock you, because now here I do.
I can help Nigeria from abroad.
Jesus.
I know what to do to help Nigeria from abroad.